Do you want a button of your face that is the same size as your face? Well, now you can get one. With these 6-inch buttons, you can get your own 6-inch button making kits for $1,000, which is a lot, but they are really good machines. They will last forever and ever and ever, a lifetime, in fact, support forever. These earn their money back really fast at malls and fairs and other places that sell novelty photo items. So if you have a photo booth or something like that, these are excellent for that purpose. Fairs, you see these oftentimes being sold for $20, $30 a piece with just a photo on them. These 6-inch buttons also make really great signs. You can make a little sign. They have an easel on the back. They have a pin or an easel back, so you can stand them up like this and use them as a little sign as well. So if you need a big old button, you can buy one today.